and welcome to my channel, Dollville World Up-Cycled with Lexi. And I am Lexi. Dollville World Up-Cycled with Lexi. Here's a quick look at Dollville World. World Avenue is made with upcycled materials. These are the upcycle shops on World Avenue. In Dollville World, a lot of product boxes, old clothes pieces, and repurposed things are used throughout the city. There is much more Dollville World. Please keep following for fast track videos on how things in the city was made. Upcoming Dollville World with Lexi. Episodes and more coming soon. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right now.